Good evening, dear students. Welcome to science class. And today in science class, we will discuss and learn about metamorphic rock from the chapter Rocks and Minerals. So, what are metamorphic rocks? The rocks that are formed by the change of igneous and sedimentary rocks are called metamorphic rocks. These rocks are harder than igneous and sedimentary rocks, and by the action of pressure and temperature, the pattern, color, and structure also get change. Texture get change in metamorphic rock. So metamorphism means change of form. When igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to high pressure and temperature over a long period of time, they undergo physical and chemical change and transformed into metamorphic rock. In this picture given here, you can see by the pressure the rocks which is here given made like or bend like a molten wax, and by seeing the lines you can see the layers. So the layers, bending of the layers can be seen here clearly by the action of pressure and temperature, and this rock become hard also. The process given here, how metamorphic rocks are formed. Deep inside the earth, where igneous or sedimentary rocks formed by the action of heat that coming out from the core of the earth and the pressure acting on that very layer by different layers of the earth, the igneous and sedimentary rock gets changed into metamorphic rock and also become harder. So this is one of the process where metamorphic rocks are formed. Now metamorphic rocks that result from these processes often have rebel-like layers, or you can see stripes, and have shiny crystals. Some metamorphic rocks have rebel-like structure. Such rocks are slate, gneiss, and some metamorphic rocks have shiny crystals, which these type of rocks are marble, quartzite. So the rebel-like layers that form on the rock depends on how does the rock is formed. That means how much temperature and pressure acting on that. And where shiny crystal form, it also depends on temperature and pressure acting on that very rock. So the structure of the rocks depends on in which way these rocks are formed. Here are some examples of metamorphic rock given: gneiss, slate, quartzite, schist, marble, phyllite, and you can see here the structure and texture are not same in these kinds of rocks. They all appear different. In some, like gneiss, you can see the appearance of stripes or ribbon-like structure in phyllite also, whereas in marble you can't see such type of layers. Marble. Marble is a metamorphic rock formed by alteration of limestone by heat and pressure. It consists of mineral like calcite, iron oxide, graphite. It is used for making statues, building, and flooring material. Here you can see the limestone, which is known as Pennant rock, change into marble, which is known as daughter rock. So the color texture gets changed when limestone change into marble, and the crystal appearance you can see in marble, where in limestone it is not. And in chapter sedimentary rocks you learn that limestone is a soft and composed of fine grains and also consists of tiny sea shells. Sometimes fossils also can be seen in limestone. But when these are subjected to high pressure and temperature, it becomes hard and no sign of shells or fossils can be seen. So this is the way metamorphic rock formed. The picture here given one marble mine. Here you can see the mountain or hills which is made up of marble are cutting to pieces, and the slabs are used for making buildings, flooring. And you know the beautiful Taj Mahal of India is made up of white marble. Now when the marble is poured and only formed from the limestone, it is white in color, and when impurity is there, the color gets changed. Not only that, the colors also changes by the change of structure of minerals, and new minerals are formed. Sometimes it is seen that due to extreme temperature and pressure, the mineral grow larger and fuse together. Next, slate. It is formed from the sedimentary rock shell. Like shell, it splits into flat layers. It is generally used to make slates, blackboard and tiles. It is used to make bricks and cement. So you know the sedimentary rock shell is not so hard. But when it is subjected to high pressure and temperature, the rock that we get slate is harder than slate. Gneiss. It is formed from igneous rock granite. It has different types of mineral which gives it a stripped appearance. It is used as building material. Students, here you can see the parent rock granite, the structure and the color. It appears like a pigment, black pigment on a pink or grayish rock, whereas in gneiss you can see the stripes. So the pigment, or we can say the spot here, the black spot, may be of different kind of mineral. When subjected to high pressure and temperature, these aligned like a line, and for this the stripped appears in the rock gneiss. So as the temperature and pressure increases, the structure of the rocks also get changed and it become harder and harder. Next, quartzite. Quartzite, it is formed from sandstone. It is rich in mineral named quartz. It is very hard and resistant to weather. It is used in glass and ceramic industry. Quartzite is very hard and it is often crushed and used for building material, for making railroad tracks. Sandstone, which is a sedimentary rock, change into quartzite. And you can see here the rock quartzite, which is harder than that of the sandstone. Here is a picture which showing different kind of rocks that we get by metamorphism. So from the shell, here the picture given, the sedimentary rock shell which undergoes changes by the action of pressure and temperature. So as the temperature and pressure increases, the structure of shell gets changed. So it first change into slate, then when it is given more pressure and temperature, it change into phyllite, then to schist, then gneiss. So as it is going through the higher temperature and pressure, the hardness of the rock increases. So dear students, I think it is clear to you the formation of metamorphic rock and different types of metamorphic rocks, how metamorphic rocks are formed, their uses. Next day we'll learn about minerals. Today this much. Thank you.